Hey, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the TRS Rhino. This is a cool throwing tomahawk that we've developed, and although we sell it specifically as a throwing tomahawk, it's actually a useful tool as well. It's one solid piece of metal, so the issue of breakage with the handle is a complete non-issue. It's not, I would say I've seen some other similar models where they look, like a useful tool in the picture, but when it arrives to you, you realize it's, maybe like 3 inches shorter than this, and it's quite small. So this I would consider like a camp axe size tool that you could actually chop wood with and use like you would a small tomahawk. It's not quite as big as our full-size throwing tomahawk, but also it packs much lighter, and it's also very thin, so very easy to carry with you. We've put this shrink wrap, it's actually like a heat shrink tubing material with a little bit of textured grip as the handle. The reason we've chosen that is that as a throwing tomahawk, you want something smooth, and you definitely don't want a curved handle. The curved handles have a purpose and ergonomics for actually doing a lot of chopping, but when it comes to throwing, you do not want a curved handle. It makes it more challenging to get your throw down. So the release is really nice with this. We have drilled holes in it so that you can wrap it with paracord, which I have an example of here. Very quick and easy to do. Just get standard paracord and you can wrap this, and you can get decorative with the wrap. This is about as simple as it gets. And this is something maybe if I wanted this in a go bag, something like that, I might wrap it with paracord for a couple of reasons. One, you get a little bit better grip and you're not really concerned with throwing this. And the second reason is that you've got some built-in cordage here. So if it's wrapped around your tool, that's nice. If you need it, you can unwrap it, and now you've got a whole bunch of paracord. So we've added the drilled holes in there so that you can add that if you want to, but they come with the rubberized grip installed on them. A couple of things about this. One, we think it looks pretty cool. But specifically for throwing, we've had the upswept upper tip here so that you can get a good stick in a wider range than you can with a standard tomahawk. So just if you could imagine a line between this point and the bottom of the handle here, you could get a stick just like this, and it would stick into the target all the way here, 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 and then even as it overturns, you can get a strike here or here. When you get past here, it tends to bounce out, but it gives you a huge range of just a little bit more forgiveness, which makes it more fun. If you're like really into competitive tomahawk throwing, you don't need that kind of range, but if you just want to mess around in the backyard, maybe have some friends over and play around, it's a lot more fun when people are sticking the target more frequently. So this is really designed for that. As you can see, I've got 3 here, and also we included a carrying case, which is very nice just for keeping them together. It also has a belt loop at the top, so you can actually hang this on your belt if you're actually doing target practice, and you can carry all 3 of them with you when you're walking back and forth. You're not carrying axes. So that's very nice. Also keeps them safe and keeps them together for storage, so these things aren't just laying around. So very nice to have that. You can buy it as a 3-pack, or you can buy one of these individually if you just want to check it out. I would recommend the 3-pack. If you're actually going to throw these things, of course it's a lot more fun to be able to get 3 shots before you have to walk down and get them. So yeah, that's the TRS Rhino. If you have a set of these, let us know what you think of it in the comments. We'd love to hear your feedback. And if you're thinking about getting one, but you have some questions, again, let us know in the comments. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.